In the dashboard, click the Activity button. Select Date if required. Click on the Parameters button against the respective tank. Enter the water quality values for the predefined list of parameters. Click on the Done button to finish adding water quality. Click on the Save button to exit the parameters pop-up. Repeat the same for the remaining tank. Click the Add Parameter button to add any other water parameter. On clicking the Add Parameter button, a list of water quality parameters is shown. Select the required parameter and click the OK button. Now, enter the corresponding values against the parameter. Click on the time icon to set time. Multiple records of parameters can be saved at multiple times. Click on the Done and Save button to exit the pop-up. Click the Parameters button to view previous entries.